I think the best part about going to school at Valley Catholic is probably the curriculum. Learning new stuff is really fun for me, and the way teachers do that at Valley Catholic is very special.
My favorite teacher is probably Mrs. Long because she understands students.
I try to think about being them. I just think about kids needing different mediums to understand knowledge. So group work, and then visual things, auditory things, and kinesthetic things help them solidify knowledge.
He's converted a decimal into a fraction.
I encourage them to think about what they like and what they're interested in, and I encourage them to learn how to explore it.
I think I want to be a neurosurgeon because I'm very interested about health and how the body works.
I think maybe like an engineer because I'm really into like mathematics and equations.